High beams are the inside bulbs in the headlight housing. Open the hood and you can reach behind the housing to reach the bulbs. Turn it counterclockwise to unlock it. Pull out the locking tab on the wire connector and pull it off the bulb. Plug in the LED and test it. Install the LED into the housing. The wire out the back will point at the 4 o'clock position. Turn the bulb clockwise to lock it. The wire will now hang at the 6 o'clock position. Now repeat those steps on the other side. Reach the bulb and turn it counterclockwise to remove it. Pull out the locking tab on the wire connector and pull it off the bulb. Plug in the LED bulb and test it. Install the LED into the housing. The wire out the back will point at the 4 o'clock position. Turn the bulb clockwise to lock it. The wire will now hang at the 6 o'clock position. These new 6000K LED bulbs are much brighter than the OEM high beams. When we measure the output with our light meter, the lux of the LED is almost 3 times brighter than the halogen bulbs.